Hello primary 4 students, how are you? Welcome in your science class. As now, we will study lesson 5 from concept 1, unit 4. This is me, Shaimaa Hamdy, and you are watching the Big Sisters channel. So, are you ready to start our lesson? As now we will study activity 11, evidence of change. Okay? We will talk about the sand dunes and the delta. We have learned the Earth's surface is continuously changing from time to time. And there are 3 processes that have an important role in this changing. Okay? And you know the 3 processes? Can you tell me these 3 processes? Yes, first we have weathering, and then we have erosion, and the third process, which is deposition. Okay, well done, primary 4 students. We know that weathering, when water or wind wears down rocks. This is an expression that means that the wind and water break the rocks. Okay, so wears down rocks. So water or wind wears down rocks. Or we can say the shape of land forms, and we know the land forms all the land features as mountains, hills, rivers. All of these, we call it land forms. So the shape of land forms change by mechanical or chemical weathering. Yes? This is about weathering. And then we know that the erosion, when water or wind moves materials from one place to another. As here in this picture, what you see here, small rocks are moved by the wind. Also here we have small rocks moved by flowing water. Yes? This is about erosion. Then these eroded materials, okay, these small particles, these sediments, okay, will stop moving and settle on a surface, forming a new layer over time, okay? This is called deposition. So, this eroded material stop moving and settle on a surface, forming a new layer, okay, as the delta and the small and large dunes, okay? Over time, this is called deposition, okay? Okay. As we said, that the surface of Earth is continuously changing. As this rock, okay, at the beginning it was like this, okay, as in the right, and by the action of the 3 processes, which is weathering, erosion, and deposition, it becomes like this, okay, and the sediments are placed in another places or areas, okay, as you see here, by the wind and by the water. So the surface of Earth is continuously changing by the 3 processes, okay? Example, for the changes in the Earth's surface as the sand dunes and delta, okay? Sand dunes are small hills of sand found in desert or on top of beach, as we saw before, okay? And the delta, as we studied, it's a piece of land shaped like a triangle that is formed when a river enters a large body of water as sea or ocean, okay? So the sand dunes are small hills, okay, of sand found even in desert or on top of beaches, and delta, a piece of land shaped like a triangle that it is formed when a river enters a large water body as sea or ocean, okay? As you see here, this is the sand dunes on the top of the beach, okay? And this is the small dunes, yes? Also here we have the sand dunes in desert. They are large dunes, yes, but by strong winds as we studied before. Here, this is the delta. As you see, it is a triangle shape. And it formed when the river enters a large water body as sea or water. And for example, we have the Nile Delta. Erosion and deposition, as it's clear for us, they are linked processes, okay? If there is erosion, so there will be deposition, as if the sediments moves, so it must be settled down in any place. So they are linked together, okay? As erosion doesn't occur in one place without deposition in another place, okay? So again, as erosion, which is moving the sediments, happens, so it must stop in any place, settle down on the surface, yes? So here, this is a deposition, so erosion and deposition are linked processes, okay? And the erosion happens, so the deposition must happen also, okay? With this information, we finished our lesson. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. See you next video, inshallah, and goodbye.